Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Marisol, naturopathic doctor and your Queen of the Thrones, and I'm so super excited that you now have your very own Queen of the Thrones Castor Oil Pack. There is so much that I can say about this legendary health practice. However, it would take so much time and we just don't have that today. So to sum it up, I love using the acronym FAITH, which stands for all the things that castor oil packs improve in your body. Number 1, they improve the function of the digestion, absorption, and elimination. Number 2, they improve your antioxidant status. Number 3, they improve your inflammation regulation. Number 4, they help with reduction of tension and stress. And number 5, they help improve host microbiome. It's really incredible what these simple packs can do. Now, how do you do your castor oil pack? Super easy. Simply take the soft side up, pour 2 tablespoons of organic castor oil, always in a glass bottle, Queen of Thrones, organic, hexane-free, and extra virgin. Then you simply blot the pack and place it on the liver, which is underneath your right rib cage. Make sure that each time you apply castor oil, you use less and less. Your goal is to avoid the castor oil seeping into the seams because then you have to wash the pack. So you may right now want to learn more about castor oil and castor oil pack because this information has intrigued you as to all the benefits. What I want you to do is I want you to scroll down and find out about my incredible program called Fit for a Queen. Number 1, it's a steal and it won't be around forever. So take advantage today of this amazing price to learn everything there is to know about castor oil and castor oil packs, including incredible recipes for skin creams, lotions, and even cosmetic uses of castor oil. I am so excited that you are here on this journey with me. I'm Dr. Marisol, naturopathic doctor and your Queen of the Thrones, and my goal is to help you own your throne. So thank you for joining the movement.